Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can join a room in your character.ai. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser of your preference. Once your web browser is open, you need to simply type in the character.ai's URL, which is www.beta.character.ai. Once you do it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here, simply from the left hand side of the corner, you need to select the chats option. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see rooms which you had previously created. So now all you need to do is click on it and you can simply join into a room and continue your conversation with the characters added. So in few seconds, you can simply join a room in character.ai. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.